Welcome to another unboxing video. Today I am going to unbox this. This is a mobile holder stand. This has two parts. This is the mobile holder. Yeah, like you might have seen this in some cars and all. People attach it to the glass. And this is something I can attach it to the table. So let me demonstrate this. So this is extendable up to this. This can be folded and adjusted like this. So this we can attach to the end of the table like this. And this part, yeah. It's sideways, I guess. Yep. Either way is fine. So once you have attached this to your table, you can take your mobile, and if you can see this clip, you can put your mobile here. And yes, so if you are in a habit of watching a movie or a series on your mobile device, this will be very useful to you. You don't have to hold the phone all the time in your hand. And yeah, so for the people who has mobile entertainment, this is a very useful instrument or device. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.